Well, this is the start of a new journey in the Indian Railways. Today, a test will take place between Delhi and Agra, and now it will only take 90 minutes to go to Agra from the previous 120 minutes because of this semi-high-speed train which is being inaugurated today and whose test drive will take place today. Officially, it will be launched for the public from November. The price hasn't been decided, and also remember the main agenda, the main ideology of the Modi government is to improve the condition of railways. Remember, railways is a mass transporter in the country. It transports many millions of people across the country every day. So it was the need of the hour, high-speed train travel in the country. How important is this day in the history of the Indian Railways?
This is a very, very important day in the history of Indian Railways because we are now crossing the barrier of, we are achieving the speed of 160 kilometers per hour for the first time in the history.
So will we see more such trains in coming few months, weeks and years?
Yeah. This is only a trial project, pilot project. After this, we'll have more and more sections like Delhi to Chandigarh and Delhi to Kanpur.
Okay. So when can we see the bullet trains in the country now? Now a start has been made today.
See, we can call it that this is a stepping stone. First, we'll achieve a speed of 160 kilometers per hour, and after gaining the experience, we'll go for 200 kilometers per hour. Because for that, we need a lot of funds and a lot of expenditure.
Right now, the average speed of train travel in the country is almost 130 kilometers. That's Shatabdi. This train will travel at almost 160 kilometers per hour. It has the potential to go to also 200 kilometers per hour. Remember, the distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 kilometers, and this train will only take 90 minutes. That's far less than the previous 120 minutes. This train only has 10 coaches, and usually when the Bhopal Shatabdi, that's the normal train which goes from Delhi to Agra, which most of the people take, has 18 coaches. With camera person Pramod Negi, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.